Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy, quick, and healthy recipe. For my followers, thanks for being with me once again. And for those who are new here, I hope you enjoy and hear from this video. Today, I will share a new recipe that is easy and quick, yet healthy. Fried rice with chicken. First, we need to cut 200 grams of chicken breast. Cut into cubes. Chicken is good for health when compared to red meat. Chicken contains tryptophan, amino acid, which has been linked to higher levels of serotonin, the feel-good hormone, in our brains. Write your name and country where you are watching my video, to thank you and greet you on my next video. For the seasoning, we need a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Omit this chili, if you don't eat hot food. A pinch of pepper, 1 teaspoon of basil, a pinch of nutmeg, a pinch of coriander, and mix well. Then add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of hoisin sauce. After mixing the seasonings, put the half to the chicken and set aside the half. Then mix it well to the chicken and set aside. Don't forget to check my descriptions, where you find kitchenware and kitchen utensils, in which you can avail or order anytime. Your feedback helps us grow. Write in the comment what you would like to see next. Chopped or minced 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Yes, cooked garlic is great for health. Cooked garlic is much easier to digest than raw garlic and also contains a wide variety of vitamins and minerals that promote overall health, specifically immune health, can reduce high blood pressure and cholesterol levels, promotes cancer prevention, has antibiotic properties, and prevents Alzheimer's and dementia. This recipe is made easy for you to follow. Cut, slice, and chopped 1 spring onion. Spring onions make tasty dishes, but are also high in nutrients and are packed with vital vitamins and minerals. Also known as scallion or green onion, spring onions are the most popular Chinese ingredient. Both the green leafy part and the white bulb of the spring onion are edible. It is milder than a regular onion and can be cooked as well as raw. Spring onions have several health benefits, including preventing cold and flu, aiding in digestion, reducing the risk of cancer, lowering blood sugar levels, improving eye health, keeping your heart healthy, boosting immunity, preventing stomach complications. Have a piece of bell pepper. Slice, cut into cubes. Any kinds of color of bell pepper will do, although each color has its own taste and vitamins each brings. Bell peppers is a fruit that can be eaten raw or cooked. Don't forget to check the descriptions in this video, where you can find different kinds of kitchenware or kitchen utensils that you can avail. Maybe you can find your long-wanted one. Explore our playlist for more easy, quick, and healthy recipes. We also need 1 tablespoon of frozen green peas which have been thawed. In a heated pan with cooking oil, fry the chicken. Cook it for about 2 minutes. Don't overcook the chicken to stay its juiciness and tenderness. Chicken is a quality source of vitamin B12. Discover what tryptophan can do. Our bodies cannot synthesize tryptophan, so we must get it from foods such as chicken. Choline, an essential micronutrient. Choline is an essential nutrient for several bodily functions. Zinc, for immunity and reproductive health. Chicken also has a decent amount of zinc. Iron, for healthy blood. Chicken, particularly when it has been pasture-raised, is high in vitamins and minerals and protein, low in fat, and has several health benefits including reducing inflammation, controlling blood pressure, and improving cognition and mood. It's incredibly easy to include chicken into a balanced diet, even one with certain restrictions, like a diet that must be lower in saturated fat and cholesterol to control diabetes or heart disease. Once they cooked, remove from the pan and set aside. From the same pan, sauté the garlic in, and continue sautéing until the aroma comes out. Then add the green pea and continue cooking for 1 minute. Add the liquid seasoning and add the rice. Then mix the rice by flipping. Then push. Continue the process until all ingredients are mixed. Again, flip and push. Fried rice is one of those comfort food takeout dishes everyone should know how to make, and something I've been making for years. It's cheap and quick and simple to throw together, and the perfect thing to make when you find yourself with leftover rice in the fridge. In fact, chilled leftover rice is the secret to making the absolutely best fried rice ever. In leftover rice recipes, it's easy to customize with all of your favorite fixings. Plus, it's quick to make. Pick a medium grain white rice, which is the standard in Chinese cuisine. A fresh batch of this variety turns out sticky in your rice cooker, which makes it easy to eat with chopsticks. Yet it also has the ability to separate into individual grains. Don't go with rice labeled glutinous rice, however. This is a different variety beloved for its exceptional stickiness, making it ideal for use as a stuffing. Medium grain white rice is also generally mild in flavor, so it's perfect for flavoring with mix-ins and other sauces. Note that jasmine rice, a Thai staple, is a medium to long grain white rice, but it is slightly floral in aroma. It's still a great choice for fried rice. It just has more personality. In a bowl, put some pieces of chicken, then filled with rice. Push, but not too hard, or it might stick on the bowl, just enough that the rice compressed together. Then flip up with a plate under it. Don't forget to check the kitchen utensils and kitchenware we offer. They are available anytime. They might be those you are looking for. Now enjoy eating your dinner. It's perfect, much better than takeout from a Chinese restaurant. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always be notified. Have a happy, healthy meal.